In this video, we'll show you how to enable printing and scanning on your Android device. Enable printing from a smartphone in the following 3 steps. The operation flow is as follows. First, preparing the printer for connection. Second, installing the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app on the smartphone. Third, registering the printer you want to use on the Canon Inkjet Selfie app. Let's get started. Make sure your wireless router is turned on and properly set up. Now, let's prepare the printer for connection. Press and hold the wireless connect button on the home screen for about 3 seconds. Check that this screen appears. The printer preparation is complete. Next, we'll need to install the Canon Inkjet Selfie app. Follow these instructions to install the app on your device. Search the Google Play Store for Canon Print. Then install the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. Now, let's register your printer with the Canon Inkjet Selfie app. Ensure that Wi-Fi is enabled on your device and that it's connected to your wireless router. Return to the home screen, then tap the Canon Inkjet Selfie app. Read the terms, then tap Agree. At the extended survey screen, tap Do Not Agree or Agree. The app will still open if you do not agree. Tap Yes to perform printer setup. Confirm that your printer appears and tap OK. Confirm that your wireless router appears and tap Yes. Enter the password for your wireless router, then tap OK. When this screen appears, tap OK. The connection to the smartphone is now complete. Now you can print or scan. Thank you for watching.